This is a sample questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Exam for Standard and Practices. Part 2. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Question: what does a duplex bearing look like? Answer: a pair of round ball bearings. Make sure to pick the one with the largest races. Question: what type of bearing is used for radial loads only? Answer: roller bearings. Question: what are the two materials that control cables are made of? Answer: corrosion-resistant steel and carbon steel. Question: what size cable can you use as woven splice, and is it acceptable on an AC? Answer: 3/32 or greater and 7% of cable strength can use both 7x7 and 7x19. Not acceptable anymore. Question: what percent of the Nico press strength is the cable restored to? Answer: 100%. Question: how is the hardness of the metal rate? Answer: Brunel and Rockwell. Question: what happens to a hydraulic line when it is put under pressure? Answer: expands outward and decreases in length. Question: what kind of line is this? Answer: phantom line. Question: how many sides are visible on all-symmetric drawing? Answer: 3. Question: which drawing has vertical lines and 30-degree lines? Answer: isometric drawing. Question: what is a schematic diagram? Answer: illustrated principle used to explain a system of operation. Question: where is the Iltal block located? Answer: lower right-hand corner. Question: which metal tester leaves a spherical indentation? Answer: Brunel. Question: what is the color of Avgas 100 high lead? Answer: green. Question: what is a Henry coil? Answer: 1 volt induced voltage when current changes 1 ampere per seconds. Question: what tool is used for measuring the center of a cylinder of round stock? Answer: combination set. Question: what is the minimum cable diameter for primary control cables? Answer: cable. Question: when is the use of a 7/19 extra flexible cable? Answer: used for primary cables. Question: When using a liquid penetrate, how long does it take to use a developer? Answer. Dwell time depends on the size of the crack. Question. Steel is best hardened by quenching it in what? Answer. Oil. Question. Why is lead used with an X-ray inspection? Answer. Shielding safety absorbs radiation. Question. And bolts are usually of what class of thread? Answer. Class 3 medium fit. Question. Thermosetting plastics can be reshaped? Answer. No, thermosetting plastics cannot be reshaped. Question. Clevis bolts can be used for what? Answer. Shear load only. Question. /not is the best method for testing for intergranular corrosion in aluminum? Answer. Ultrasonic testing. Question. What means 7 multiply 19? Answer. 7 strands of 19 wires. Question. What is used to properly oversize a hole? Answer. Reamer. Question. External threads are put on a tube WLTH? Answer. A die. Question. White cut fuels comprised of? Answer. A mixture of gasoline and kerosene that make it less dense. Question. What is Monel composed of? Answer. 68% nickel, 29% copper. Question. Which of the followings have the lower specific gravity, jet fuel, avgas, water, or mercury? Answer. Avgas. Question. What does 18-8 steel denote? Answer. 18% chromium, 8% nickel. Question. What is BTU equivalent to? Answer. 1055 joules or 778 feet lbs. Question. Internal threads on a tube are made with what? Answer. Tap. Thank you for watching.